Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you folks the Boston Whaler 2019 21 Montauk. Let's have a look on the outside. It's a traditional white color, whaler white, which is a real nice shade of white. You've got the stainless steel rub rail insert on it, and they've really improved the lines tremendously on this boat. They're a lot softer, but the way that the hull is designed, it runs a lot smoother and a lot more comfortable. So the new redesign is fantastic. So as we move back down around the back of the boat, I'm going to show you what it's powered with. For 2019, Mercury's come out with the new design. This is a 200, and it's quieter, it's less vibration, it's lighter, it's more fuel efficient. It's just a fantastic engine. So if you want to hop on board, let's take a look at the rest. Here we are on board the 21 Montauk. Let's start at the back of the boat. If you are fishing, you've got plenty of room back here. It's all non-skid, 4 rod holders in the back, a couple of drink holders here also. And then if you are not fishing, both sides will conveniently pop up to very comfortable seats. So really nice addition in the new style Montauk. Stereo speakers in the back, plenty of storage here as well. So you just pop that up. You can put life jackets. You can put anything you want, fishing gear, dive gear, all that stuff. You've got tackle boxes here. And then when you're going to drive the boat, you flip it back the other way. And at the helm, you've got plenty of room for a large GPS right here. And then you've got your Fusion. You've got your a Smart Craft, which will give you all your pressures and temperatures and fuel burns and all the important information. Digital shifter, trim tabs. Little teak highlights as you go through the boat, which I happen to like a lot. And then very large cabin underneath here. You can store plenty of room for storage. Just about anything you're going to want to take will fit in here. You can put a porta potty in there also. As we move to the bow, this one is actually a little bit different than we normally do. Normally you can get it set up like this, but this has an extension here. So this makes a really large sun pad. So if you are going out to the beach or going for sunset or whatever it may be, you've got an absolute ton of room. You've got backrests that are removable and become rod holders if you want. Just a fantastic setup for a 21-foot boat. The T-top just really rounds it off nicely, and it'll do the backwaters great, do the Gulf great as well. So if you get any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.